we at, Chad?
Nevada.
Nevada. But what is this place called?
Then they just Hoover.
Damn.
Look. Oh shit, then that you gotta pay to park there. I'm not paying to park. Like, I thought it was free.
How much is
Like a $10.
Oh, wow. There's a lot of people. Yeah, people. Nevada time. 1931. Was it built 1931? And then this restaurant.
You see that? Yeah. There's a bed in there, a little wash thing. What is it for?
Instagram husbands. Yeah, dude. We were parked over there earlier. There. And it's currently traffic. It's not really traffic, it's the pedestrians crossing. And you hear the helicopter somewhere there. It's tour, but probably expensive. And in Arizona, it's already $135. Okay, because half of it is in Arizona and half is in Nevada. Those got the watch. Oh no, over here. So in Nevada, it's only $112.30.
And the state line's right there.
And the state line is
Yeah,
right. Look, we're coming back to Nevada. Yes. So me and Chad decided not to walk, and we'll just riding. And then there's a sign. Over there. Oh, there's tours too. Hi, we didn't get magnets in the PX. Yeah, we don't have Nevada. Hi. So to go to the gift shop, you need to pay parking. No, thank you. Gonna pay it. That's it. It's the gift shop, I guess. Yeah. And tours and coffee. And